Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could fix the search tab or the search bar not working for you. So if you are facing this in Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. What you are going to do, you are going to hit in your keyboard or to press on the Windows sign button plus the letter R to open this little application called Run. Next step, you want to type Control Panel. Hit Enter. You want to change view by from small and large icons to category only. Next step, click under user accounts on change account type. Here, add a new user in PC settings. Add account. What we're going to do, we will create a new admin account and later on you can delete it. But for now, you need to create an admin account and this way you will be able to have the search function working in your computer. So you'll be able to search in your computer for whatever file you want. So I don't have this person information, and we're going to click this way, add a user without Microsoft account. This should not have any impact on you, but it will solve the problem. So we're going to name it test. Next, with the password, and we'll go back to our control panel, and we will go back again to change account type. We will locate the account and change the account type, and we'll change it to administrator and change account type. Again, we go back to control panel, change account type just to check, and the test account is now an administrator. Next step will be that you turn off, and then you turn on your computer, and the search bar or the search option should be working in your Windows computer. And then after that, you can just delete the added Microsoft account by just going to Control Panel, changing view by small and large icons to category, change account type, locate the newly created account which you don't need anymore after the search start working, delete the account, delete files, delete account, and now it's done. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always press like and share and also subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.